Welcome back to the vlog. Oh, there's no lighting. Alright, hi everybody. We're watching Surprise Toys, right? Okay. Sorry I have not vlogged in a while. Like, probably 3 days because Bella, my mom, and basically my whole family has been sick. Except for me and my dad. So that's why I have not been vlogging. So, yeah. So today I'm gonna attempt to make some piggy in the blanket if I can. So we'll see how that goes. I'm still not with my hair. I just finished trying to make piggies in the blanket. I burned myself doing it. They're burned. I'm so stupid. She's mad because she wants some. So I'll probably give her some. I'll erase it, okay? Every time I'm playing with my phone. Oh, está oscuro. There we go. No, that's not. It's raining a lot outside. Mami, ¿si vamos a ir o no? I'm playing with my slime. Bella's watching Kids Ball. My mom's fixing the bed. Hey, I haven't done my hair yet, okay? You gotta wait until I do it. Yeah, but I brushed my teeth and I got changed. I just need to do my hair. And you'll see. I'll do my hair right now. ¿Sabes qué? Agarré un video de Bella bailando. Oh, it was on my face.
¿Lo subiste?
No. Dijo que no quería que lo suba.
¿Por qué?
Sorry. I don't know. It's just a little fun into the vlog. So. Oh my gosh, my hair is tangled. There's slime in my hair. Ow. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, now we're getting this. You know what? This is nothing. There we go. Ow, this one. Please. Oh. Ow. much hair. I need one. Oh, there we go. Good. Oh my god. It's red. I need to wash my face. Look at these. I need to wet. Okay. There we go. Oh no. That's much better. I'm gonna do it to the side. Good. No, I'm just kidding. Why would I do that? So what do you do? Where's the clip? There we go. There we go. That's good. Alright, so it's bad lighting. I'm over here playing with my dollhouse. All my dolls are in there, as you can see. Bella fell asleep. Let's see if I can get a good clip. And it is still raining outside. Focus. See if it can focus. Focus. I don't know. Alright, so it's still raining outside. It's been raining since the morning. I haven't eaten, so we'll see what I can eat. And we're also going to Pollo Loco if we can get out of here. So yes. So I just ate cup noodles because I was hungry. Bella just woke up. Say hi. Can't really see her. Hold on. Let me go to this side and see if you can see her. Oh, something happened with the TV. Damn, your pillow is warm. She just woke up sweating. Literally sweating. There's my cup noodles. It's not raining. Well, it is raining outside. I don't know if you can see. But it ain't raining that much. So it's just sprinkling. And we're watching Tanked. And what was it? My parents are somewhere, so they left me alone with my brother, my grandma, and my grandpa. I hate sweating. They went to pay the bills and probably to get some food from Pollo Loco. Your dad's showering. You just told it in the camera. What? No, I said that. I said that that they left us with us. So I don't know what to do though. I'm going to end the vlog here. So if you guys want to get a chance to win a giveaway, please subscribe to my channel. And once I see an improvement on my channel, I will see what I can do. And also subscribe to this channel link down below, and my sister's channel. All of the channels that I personally am connected to will be linked down below, and how to enter to win a new iPod 5 link down below. Make sure you guys go subscribe, watch all my vlogs, give all my vlogs a big thumbs up, and subscribe. So, yes, make sure to do that so you guys can enter to a chance to win an iPod 5. So, yes.